guys, it's Fran again. As I promised, I would give you some hints on body work today, and I have a little friend with me. My cat Nina probably will join us. So these are just a few tips. I call this body check-in, and just to see where I am as far as tightness, etc. So we're just gonna do some things sitting. And if she'll let me sit. And we're gonna take a roller. This is the roller I use. It's just, you want the size of the length of your spine. And so we're gonna put, and we're gonna hold the roller there, and we're gonna sit in this position. Okay, and we're just going to just breathe for a minute and sit and just close your eyes for a second and just allow yourself to focus on your body and where you are in the moment. Take a deep breath and exhale. And again, take a deep breath and exhale. One more time. Take a deep breath and exhale. Good. Nice. So what I want you to do is take the roller. So you need a mat and a roller, obviously. And I want you to place the roller on your lap. And if you can't do this with your legs, just straighten down. Of course, she's going to do everything I do. How adorable. All right. And so we're going to push the roller here. We're going to push our hands and arms hands into the lower legs, arms pressing. So the elbows are pressing into the roller, and the roller is pressing into your stomach. Okay, so you're going to take a deep breath, drop your shoulders, inhale, chin is up, drop the chin and roll the upper body, exhale to your chest and come back up, inhale, press the roller into your stomach and up, exhale, chin to the chest and roll. And again, one more time, inhale up, and exhale, chin to the chest, just the upper body, and come to center. Good. Nice. So I want you to lift your shoulders up and down, up and drop. So your hands are resting now. They're not gripping, they're just resting. Inhale up and drop. One more time. Inhale up and drop. Good. You're going to place your right hand here, and you're going to reach to the side and tilt, just like a teapot, and just round your arm. You're going to turn your head towards the mat and inhale. And now look up, exhale. And turn towards the mat, inhale. And center, exhale. So you feel a little stretch on that opposite side. Again, tilt and inhale, turn towards the mat, exhale, looking up, and again, center and inhale, and center, exhale. Good. Come to center. Nice. All right. Now we're going to place the roller under your knees like this. Okay. Scoop back a little bit so you can see me. Now, what I want you to think about doing is you're going to run your fingers on either side of your shin. So these are pressure points on either side of the shin. And you're going to press gently down your shin to your ankles and hang your head. And then come back. You're going to do this 3 times and exhale. And come back. And exhale. And come back. Good. Nice. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to bend your knees And your feet are together, just like that. And in this work, we work on pressure points, right? That was the first. Now you're going to press on the inside of the knees, so your elbows are pushing and your legs are resting on the roller. So you're going to just push, and your hands are gently touching each other. Now, the tips, not the tips, but right here is where we run energy. As an energy healer, you run not at the top, but right there. So I want you to just play with the idea of running energy through your fingers and breathe. Feel the energy running from one arm to the other, and just feel that sort of triangle right there on both sides. Feel the space in between your fingers, dropping your shoulder, and the space between your arms. Okay, so now you're going to inhale and just press on the inside of the knees, a little tender. These are pressure points, releasing the hips. Okay. Now you're going to lift up and then move down this quad and press your inner thigh. One side may be tighter than the other. Inhale and exhale. Gentlemen tend to move, and you move your elbows on the outside, more towards the outside of the thigh than the women. Women are more inside. And now you're going to go to the knees and go down between the shin bone and the muscles and press. Again, gently touching here. So you're running energy through the arm and the legs. Feel. Inhale and exhale. Pull the tummy in and just feel the energy running. So you have a bunch of triangles here. You've got a triangle here, and a triangle here. Okay. So it's a flow of energy is what we're looking at. Good. Now, place your knees under the mat, over the mat, so your legs are resting. Okay. Now, I want you to take your right leg up, cross it over, roll the roller out a little bit, extend the bottom leg, reach for the toes if you can, or ankles. And I want you to hold for 10 counts. Inhale. Hold it. Good. Release. Now I want you to take this hand, push your foot into the hand, take the elbow. This is again another pressure point. You're going to inhale. So your foot is pushing down as you're pushing the hand into the foot. You're going to feel that in your hip as you push down even more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Cross over. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to turn away and twist 10 counts. Hold the knee towards the opposite chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feeling a twist around the spine. Good. Change legs. Cross over. And extend the bottom leg and reach. 10. Breathe. Inhale. Hold it. Feel a stretch in the back of the hamstring. This is what this is for. And down again. Hold where the baby toe is. Push the foot into the hand and then lift the hand into the foot. So you're pushing up in opposition, pushing down and pushing up. Elbow on the inside of the thigh, feeling it in the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Cross over. 10 again. 1. Pull in opposite direction. You're going to feel a stretch. 1, 2. So pushing the knee towards this chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. And twist behind you. Hold. 1. Pull the knee towards the chest. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to center. Good. So draw your hands down again and just lower your head and just reach for your feet. Your back should be a little looser, head down, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on up. Inhale and exhale. Nice. Draw your shoulders up and down. Up and down. One more. Up and down. Good. Cross your arm. So I know that looks funny, but just your hands in your face, just turn your body. You're going to feel a stretch in the shoulder. Good. And let's change. So one arm is straight, one arm is bent, and you're just going to turn, pull, and drop that shoulder. Twist around. And come back. Good. Nice. Good job. All right. Thank you, and have a good day. And Nina, thanks you too. Say goodbye, Nina.